push, down the red slide. Nice and smooth we glide. Arms up high in the sun, water park has just begun. One red slide, straight and long, sliding down and singing a song. Splash in the water, bright and fun. That's our number one. Climb up high, step by step. Yellow slide, ready, set. Curving gently left and right. Two bright curves in sight. Down we glide, soft and slow, following where the waters flow. Splash at the bottom, laughing too. That's our number two. Round and round the blue slide goes, spinning softly as it flows. Three big turns inside the tube, cool blue water ride. Swirl and spin, smooth and free, sliding down so happily. Splash and smile, that's our number three. Up the green slide, tall and wide, four soft waves as we ride. Up and down, bump by bump, sliding with a gentle jump. Glide along and feel the breeze, splashing down with happy ease. That's our number four. Purple slide, so tall and high, reaching almost to the sky. Hold on tight, here we go. Down we slide, nice and slow. Big splash rising in the sun, water sparkles, shining fun. Five big splashes roar. That's our number five. One splash, two splash, three splash more. Four splash, five big splashes I adore. Red and yellow, blue and green. Purple slides, the biggest we've seen. Count to five and smile some more. Water park fun with a splash. Slide and splash and laugh all day. Slide along the way. 1 to 5 we learned and played, happy memories made today. Slide and splash, PoPo waves goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.